Hi guys, good morning. This is our first official day in Yerevan, Armenia. So ngayong araw ay tayo ay maglalayag sa kabundukan ng Armenia. So ngayon ako ay nagsusot ng mga accessories para medyo naman wala naman tayo, may kaek-eka naman tayo sa kamangkamangay natin. So nakuha pala namin yung tour na to. It's just for 6,000 Armenian drams. So yun yung ano namin. So pupunta namin is for location. Yung mga simple tourist attraction dito, pero well known siya regards on culture, something like that dito sa Armenia. So I'm thinking if I will change my earring, but it's fine. Something, yeah. And right now, it's sunny here. But last night before kami matulog, naulan-ulan dyan. Sobrang lamig. Kaya yun. So later I will show you sa mga mga video namin. And yeah, see you in the next clip. Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa unang destination namin, which is the monastery of Yerevan. So as you can see on the view is more on like, yeah, that's the view here, and more on trees, and yeah, I will show you inside of it. And yeah, samahan nyo akong discoverin ang kanilang monastery dito sa Yerevan. So Hello. Nandito kami ngayon sa pangalawang destination namin. Sobrang lamig at nandito kami sa Bulubundukin or bundok literal. And ayun. So ang rides dito ay cable car. So ayun, cable car guys. So it's 2-kilometer ride. 1 kilometer ride, 1 kilometer go back. So yeah, let's see and let's have fun. Let's go.
Parang hindi sa Godauri din, wala lang.
So we'll ride for it, guys.
Kaya ko to. At saka fighting.
Hi guys.
Lord.
So we are riding the ropeway. Open.
Nakuha na lang ako video dyan sa'yo, Bash.
Yeah.
Mahirap ako kay Sir.
Here's the view, guys. Here's our view here.
It's 2 kilometers.
1 kilometer per way.
way.
So it's 1 kilometer per way and 1 kilometer go back.
Per way nga.
Ayun nga.
Per way na yun.
So it's like 26 minutes per way ba?
No, boat rides na yun.
Boat rides. Pero
So,
parang ang bagal niya.
Buti na nga lang yung mga dahon mataas, which is kung empty yan space, ako na yung natako.
Pero it's giving a mountaineer strength. Pero maganda to kung ano, no? Siguro if ano siya, kung snow, no?
Ang lamig nun, do?
True. Pero ito ginagamit kasi diba transportation ng mga taga dito to go up to the mountain, ganyan. So, yan siya. Mountain, ganyan. That's sobrang lamig. Sobrang lamig dito, guys.
A few moments later.
So we are here in the top of the mountain. Nandito na kami sa taas. Nandito na kami sa taas nung first line nung 1 kilometer ride nung cable car or nung ropeway. So makikita mo dito may mga activities na ano tawag dyan, Bash? Yung motor, then merong horse riding, then there's mga shop naman dito sa taas. Yung mga, yeah, let's find coffee because we are feeling so cold. Parang siya nanlamig sa'yo, di ba? Na parang siya nanlamig sa akin. So yeah, that's the view here. You can see all the mountain of Yerevan or Armenia because we are here in the other city. So yeah. Huh? May sweet corn din.
الواحد رقم بس ورا اسبوع زي رقم ما استفاد. يعتبر 28 صار رقم 28
السيفي مسكر
Nescafe milk.
كل اعلامك
Yung Nescafe milk, 200 lang.
بعدين اشتغلت السيفي
دوس.
اول نزل 94 بعد بس السيفي متى الوجود اذا تفتح خايش.
So ngayon guys, try natin yung kape nila dito. Nescafe with milk. So kakaibang kape talaga siya, guys. Napakabago sa ating lahat. Kaso problema, hindi siya nagana.
Not working?
Not working.
It's a prank?
No, it's a prank, guys. Going down.
Oh.
Yeah. So we're going down na. So that's ito yung ano, tinatawag na self-service ride.
Yung back pain ko.
So pababa na kami, guys, dun sa pinanggalingan namin kanina. Tapos na kami dito and sobrang lamig.
Check out the view.
Yeah, so this is the view going down. Same lang sa pag-akyat pero mas makikita mo yung view ng Armenia in upside down.
Ano daw?
So, yeah, doon kami galing kanina. Tsaka kami nag-picture. Follow mo on Instagram so you can check our picture there. So, yeah. See you down. See you sa baba, guys. Sobrang lamig. It feels like nung time na iniwan mo ako. Ano yung feeling?
Kailan to? Last week?
Parang last April pa pala. Pero last week ko lang nalaman. Charing.
Ako this week lang eh.
So, yun. Sa taas naman, may mga kainan naman. So, nag-sweet corn kami. May mga ice creaman, popcorn, and cafe. Kaso nga, yung coffee machine is a prank. So, makita nyo rin yun sa previous video, guys. So, yeah, we will enjoy the soul searching here in the mountain. So, see you in the next clip, guys.
Soul searching.
Here's the view nung malapit na tayo sa pinakamababa. So it's feel like SpongeBob SquarePants house. Charing. So we are heading to Sevan Lake now. Sevan Lake Sea. So this is our last destination here sa tour namin. So be careful kasi hagdan lang ang ating dadaanan.
Kamagi.
And it's raining na ambon. So kailangan natin magpayong. So nandito na kami ngayon sa final destination namin. Bago ka makarating dito sa monastery na to, you need to reach the 2,000 step ba, Besh?
Gaga, pinuntahan ko yung dati. Di yung 2,000.
Diba? Ilan to? Like, basta mahaba yung ano niya. Akala ko 2,000 steps. So, but napakahaba niya. And I will show you the view here. So, yan yung view. Yan yung view na makikita mo dito. Yan. And there's two old monastery or cathedral na for the Orthodox. And on the other side also is like a sea of Sevan Lake. So yeah, it's raining now and I'm bringing the umbrella and it's raining. It's super cold and I'm wearing short and I don't have any jacket. So sobrang ngatog na talaga ako, guys. Sobrang lamig. I don't know it's how many degree or how many Celsius is this, but it's super cold. And yeah, we need to go now because it's super raining. Rainy, go away. Come again another day. Bye bye.
A few moments later.
So we'll go out for supermarket.
It's G.
It's G.
May siya ilaw, don't forget.
Yes.
Tanak mo lang. Ano? Lakit na.
Nakidlat ba?
May siya naulan.
Nabagyo.
Hindi ka pala si Burj Khalifa.
Kaya nga eh. Si Burj Khalifa guys eh.
So, babalik na naman tayo.
Nakalugtra na.
So, balik. Pangatawang
So,
beses na.
pangalawang beses na po ito guys. Hindi na po kami nakalabas. Dahil na ulan. So yun na nga. Hanggang na naman kami. Bukas na lang po kami lalabas.
Pangalawang bihis na to ah.
True, nakaparang bis na kami. Sobrang na kami kasi yun nga. Nabagyo at nakidlat. So tomorrow, I will cut this season of this vlog. And see you on the next episode. Bye!